Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Yes.
We're based right here in specialize in selling and servicing a variety of inspection-related tools and equipment. But more importantly, we sell and service 3D printing, typically used for fixturing jigs and prototypes.
Mm-hmm.
And so, are you currently utilizing 3D printing?
We are.
Okay. Because so we provide a range of professional 3D printers in various sizes, speeds, and capabilities, allowing printing with polymers, composites, and metal. So we represent printing a range of filament and resin-based professional 3D printers.
Mm-hmm.
And so our printers come in various sizes, speeds, and capabilities, like I was saying, allowing printing with polymers, composites, and metal. And our systems used for jigs, fixtures, prototypes, and custom parts in diverse applications. What kind of workflow are you using your 3D printing for? Is it prototyping? What would you say?
Yeah, it's prototyping.
It is prototyping. Okay. Are you partnered? Do you work with a third party, like a third-party vendor?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, because we provide sales and service.
Mm-hmm.
So I was going to see if you'd be open to comparing, cost and process.
So do you guys do the contract printing?
Yes.
Yeah, I'd be interested in that.
Okay. So what we do is we just do we do a quick 15-minute introduction.
Okay.
And so would you have some time on, say, would you have a day this week, or do you prefer next week? I don't know if you're going to be in office on Friday the 4th, or we can maybe do the Tuesday the 8th.
Yeah. Get something like maybe 8:30 on Friday I could do.
Let's see here. Yeah, we could do 8:30 on Friday. And then, because we're going to send you a calendar invite for your email, please.
Correct.
Okay, so and then Regal, and then, okay.
Correct.
And,
EY.
okay.
Yep.
And then you're the technology manager?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we will send you a calendar invite for a production for 3D printing for April 4th at 8:30.
Okay. Sounds good.
We look forward to it. Great rest of your week.
All right. Yep.
All right.
Thanks.
All right. Bye.
Bye.